As you can see, it's total devastation from Hurricane Irene. Got a tree way out there that's toppled over.
Oh, a family got a black dude. Shred it that way! What's the weather doing? All it's rain!
Hey, you mind if I post this to YouTube or whatever?
Huh?
Mind if I post this to YouTube? I'll get filming in there too for some diversity.
You might be like Justin Bieber. I will never say never. Does that make me famous now?
It might.
Okay.
We'll see.
Hey, look at that tree, ain't gonna make it.
There's one over here fell down. A little tiny one you can barely see on that.
Well, that one looks like he ain't gonna make it much more longer. Yeah, a couple more hours.
Oh, there goes the leaf. Total devastation.
What's the waterfront look like?
It's choppy.
It's not coming over the top over there.